Are 30mm wheel spacers safe for Mercedes G-Class? You can install wheel spacers for the rear only, but it must be noticed that the wheel spacers you install for the left or right should be in the same thickness or data, so as to avoid damaging the balance of the vehicle. BONOSS manufacturer-produced wheel spacers are made of high-grade forged 7075 T6 aluminum alloy, which features many desirable properties, such as high strength, wheel resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal performs good mechanical properties. With BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers on, you can fill the gap in your fenders and get a more aggressive and powerful look. So if you want to get these BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe our new channel, BONOSS Wheel Fitment.